Good morning dear students. I am teaching chapter 10 and name of the chapter 10 is the safety first. What is the name of the chapter 10? Lesson 10 safety first. Safety first. Name of the lesson 10 is the safety first. So keeps yourself safe while you are going on road, when you travel, when on the road, on the playground, at home. So different rules are there for life. So to keep safe you must follow some rules. You should follow some safety rules, and if you will follow some safety rules, then we will save from the different kind of injuries. And first one, what is the safety rules while we are traveling? So first one is the when you travel. When you travel. When you travel, what is the safety rules? While you are traveling, what is the safety rules? First one is the to get a bus, stand in a queue. While you are traveling, so to get a bus, stand in a queue, and when the bus arrives, follow one after the other. When the bus arrives, then if you will follow one after one, then it is good. Otherwise rush is there and you can get some kind of injuries. And do not break the queue. Do not break the queue. If you will go in queue, then it is good. If you break the queue, then you will get some kind of injury. Do not push anybody. Stand in a queue and do not push to each other. Your number will also come. And never board a moving bus. When bus is moving, never board, because if you will try to board a moving bus, then you can fall down and you can get some kind of injury. So it is better you never board a moving bus. When it stops, then you can board. Never get down from a moving bus. And second is the if bus is coming, so never get down from the moving bus, otherwise you will fall down and you will get some kind of injury. Never travel standing on the footboard. Do not put your head or arm out of the window. Do not disturb the driver, and sit quietly and be good. While you are traveling, you should show some manners. Don't quarrel in the bus, and do not disturb the driver. If driver will disturb, then you can cause the injury. And sit quietly and be good. Second one is the while on the road. While on the road, then what is the rules we should follow on the road? City and towns have a lot of traffics, and you know that there are many vehicles moving on the road, and you should be very careful on the road. You should be very careful on the road, and never play on the road. If you play on the road, then accidents can happen. So never play on the road, and use footpath to walk on busy roads. Always use the footpath to walk on busy roads, and cross the road at the zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is there, and while you are going, you cross the road at the zebra crossing. And if there is no zebra crossing, first you look right, then left, then again you can look right, and then you can cross the road. And when it is clear, then only you can cross the road. In case if zebra crossing is not there, then first you will look right, then left, then again right, and in that case if road is clear, then you cross the road. For crossing the road, look to your right, then left, and again right, and when road is clear, then you will cross. And follow the traffic signals. While you are going in busy streets or in that area, So you can see that traffic lights are there, and according to the traffic lights they follow the rules. So when the light is stops when the light is red, and go when the light is green. So these are the some rules while you are on the road. So you should follow some rules while you are going outside, when you travel, when you on the road. So these are the some basic rules, and if you will follow these rules, then you can save from the different kinds of injury, different kind of means from the accidents. So this is good for the health. So you should follow every rules and regulations. So this is the chapter 10. I hope all of you completed your holiday homework. If you are not completed, please complete your holiday homework. And this is the chapter 10 I am teaching, and you will take revision. And today we discussed about the when you travel and on the road, which kind of rules we should follow. So this is all about the safety first.